So here we are at the Cooke family cottage project, this time on the outside, where it's brought to our attention a really cool product. I have with me Chris Battersby. Chris, thanks very much for coming.
Thank you very much for the invitation.
You brought to our attention this really cool new variation of flexible gas pipeline. Tell us a little bit about what you have.
Absolutely. So this is corrugated stainless steel tubing. This particular product that we've brought to you on this project because of the resiliency question is GasTight's newest version, which is a 4-layered product. It's called FlashHill Plus. So FlashHill Plus is our 3rd generation of pipe. It's a 4-layer jacket. All the CSSTs that are in the market, mine and everybody else's, a yellow and or black, are single-layer jacket. So we've got regular corrugated stainless steel tubing, a semiconductive jacket to stop lightning, aluminum sheet, polyester to keep it from tearing, and an insulative jacket on the outside. So it'll handle not only lightning strike, but also household current.
So if it arcs against an arc fault or something.
Exactly. Then you've got an insulative outer jacket, so nothing will happen, as opposed to arcing a hole through the pipe.
And so do you see this, I mean, fire safety and more severe storms and so on, do you see this becoming a code requirement, or how are you seeing that work?
Absolutely, it's coming, and it's coming fast, and we're working on changing that. Great product, but there's some limitations to CSST as a product category, and we've tried to overcome that with this pipe.
And then very similar fittings to what they're currently used to?
Our fittings are exactly the same for all our pipes, so there's nothing new to learn about it, and the fittings will work on any of the pipes that we manufacture.
Wonderful. Can you just take that apart?
Sure, absolutely. It's a 3-part fitting. It's basically a self-flaring fitting. Pull the nut back. The bushing halves that just basically have several ribs inside. One to seal moisture from outside, so you're not having any freeze-thaw issue with popping the seal. Another little rib that sits on the top of the aluminum sheet that I talked about, the layer, so you've got absolute continuity through nut, through shielded jacket and out the other end. And it's a self-flaring fitting. So when you tighten down the nut, you're crushing stainless into the brass, and you get a metal seal that's reusable. This is the only CSA documented reusable fitting in the market. Wow. The other thing about the jacket is it's got an S102 smoke and flame thread rating on it. So again, another safety and or resilience feature to the product.
Well, as I say, we've known each other for a long time. You had mentioned this product when we were talking about the cottage, and it just seemed like a natural thing. Safety, resiliency, it just seemed like a natural product, and I know you're doing really well with it right now.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to be involved in the project.
Great. Thanks very much, Chris.
Thank you.